This is Amanda Dupre with the Blueprint News Network. The Mustangs won against Proviso East last Friday, 46-28. This week they prepare for one of their biggest competitors, Hinsdale South.
Well, I think every year it's a big game. Downers North's a huge game. And then Hinsdale South could argue, some of our players think that it's just as big a rivalry, if not bigger. And, you know, we had not had the Cannon for a few years. We had it, I think, 11 years in a row, and then we lost it for a couple years. And last year we were able to get it back, and I think our seniors, we have about 4 goals on the year. One of them is to win the Cannon and win conference, and right now, already beating Willowbrook gives us the driver's seat. And if we win this game here, continues to keep us in the driver's seat for the conference championship.
You know, it's all preparation and practice every week. We're just coming into this week, knowing we got a job to do, and it's get the win on Friday. Like Coach B said, you know, you got to hit the reset button every week. Every week's a new battle, so going into this week for a win.
Well, I think our senior class has an opportunity to win a conference championship and make the playoffs and get going, and I think that's what motivates them on a weekly basis. You only get 9 games. This isn't softball or baseball. You get 35 games, or basketball, you get 9 football games, and so it's pretty easy to stay motivated when you only have 9 games.
The game is this Friday at Hinsdale South. Varsity starts at 7 p.m. See you there, Mustangs.